Hi sir, my name is Saranya Muthukumaran. My metric number is H1880554 and this is my third reaction video. The title is about the negligence of tourists in following SOP rules in tourism destinations. Malaysia is one of the popular tourism country with a lot of tourism destinations as Pulau Langkawi, Pulau Pinang, Genting Highlands, Batu Caves, Cameron Highlands and so on. Even though the country is popular with a lot of tourism destinations as other countries in this world, but now Malaysia is facing a big loss in receiving a high number of tourists because of pandemic COVID-19. As we all know, Malaysia was previously closed or shut down all the tourism destinations in Malaysia as a way to prevent the spreadness of COVID-19 diseases. Since the economical status is getting worse day by day, the Malaysian government decided to reopen the tourism destination, especially for the domestic tourists, by introducing some of the SOP rules to be followed by the tourism destinations management and also the tourists. For example, Pulau Langkawi and Su Melaka are the tourism destination that is strictly following the SOP rules in receiving the tourists to visit the places. But my question is, do the tourists following the SOP rules as decided by the government while traveling? Here are some videos and pictures before we talk more about this issue.
Tegasnya sudah agak lama pulau itu berstatus zon hijau dan antara faktor penyumbang utama adalah kepatuhan penduduk kawasan itu kepada semua SOP ditetapkan.
Dakwaan kononnya Zon Melaka gagal mematuhi SOP ditetapkan Majlis Keselamatan Negara sehingga berlaku kesesakan pengunjung adalah tidak tepat.
Based on the videos and pictures, I think that the government's intention in improving the economical status by introducing some of the SOP rules to be followed by the tourism destination management and also the tourists is one of the good movement. But personally, I think that I'm not agree with the content because there are still a lot of tourists who are not following the SOP rules as government's prediction. This is because I think that this issue can be a big problem in spreading the diseases easily since the tourism destination started to receive a large number of tourists. I think that the intention of tourists in not following the SOP rules completely can be a big problem since the issue accurately covered by the videos and pictures as I showed previously. The problem is not forced to be happen in the first place, but now it seems to be forced to be happens since the pandemic COVID-19 is spreading very fast and there are also a lot of tourists who are not following the SOP rules as government's predictions. Lastly, the issue can be prevented by following some effective planning or more management strategies. For example, government can introduce the SOP rules by add some fines as a way to warn the tourists who are not following the SOP rules while traveling. Other than that, the tourism destination management can train the employees on how to deal with the arrogant tourists who are not following the SOP rules as fixed by the tourism destination. As a conclusion, I think that all sides of people should have the responsibility in following the SOP rules while traveling since this is the only vaccine we have in protecting ourselves from this pandemic COVID-19. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.